Sewer camera inspection at 11136 East Silver Springs Avenue in Mesa. We got two plumbing cleanouts at the front of the house. The house was built in 2010. We're going to go down the back cleanout first. ABS cleanout. Hopefully this takes us right out to the street. It shouldn't be too long of a run. I've got the water flowing in the sink in the hallway bathroom at the moment. A little bit of gunk built up on the pipes. That should really be cleaned out with some hydrojet maintenance. It's not like a major problem, it's just something that should be done with routine maintenance that probably hasn't been done in some time. And that's our city connection right there. It's okay that it drops down if we're going in this direction because the water's flowing out. So I don't see any damage on the pipe, but we're going to pull that camera back and take a look at it. Now we're going to go down the other clean out and go underneath the house and check the pipes out underneath the home. So now we're going underneath the house to the north. We're going to work our way back through the pipes, see how far we can get. Same condition of the pipes here, just a little bit of gunk built up on it. Needs to be cleaned out just to make sure everything keeps flowing good. There we have a drain connection from likely the hallway bathroom, 21 feet. Retaining a little bit of water right here, just a little bit of water being retained. And there's the hallway bathroom sink draining into the main line. Again, with some crud on the bottom of the pipe, some hydrojet maintenance would be strongly recommended. Just keep these pipes clean and smooth. And that's likely back in the primary bathroom back there. And that's likely the bathtub back there at the primary. But ABS pipes as much as I can see them. There's a little bit of debris built on the pipes, so it's hard to see what's underneath. The condition of the ABS pipes, the visible condition looks good. 71 feet from the clean out here back to the primary bathroom. Again, yeah, just some calcium deposits, gunk on the top of the pipe there. Needs to be cleaned out. There's the hallway bathroom again. Now, if you have any questions about the sewer camera inspection, please get a hold of me, Home Inspector Dan Pierce with Property Inspections Plus.